In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to BullX NEO full guide. Follow these steps to successfully connect Nova to BullX NEO. Step 1 is to access the Nova platform. Open your web browser and go to Nova website. Upon opening, you will be redirected to Telegram or prompted to open Nova within Telegram. If prompted, type /start in the chat to begin the setup. Enter referral code if required. Example, BullISH, to activate access immediately. Step 2 is to install the Nova extension. Open Google Chrome and go to the Google Chrome web store. Search for Nova extension and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, ensure the Nova extension is enabled in your browser. Step 3 is to connect Nova to BullX NEO. Ensure your Telegram is active and linked to Nova. Open BullX NEO and navigate to the appropriate page. Click on Nova extension icon in your browser. The Nova extension should automatically detect BullX NEO and integrated with it. Once connected, you can start utilizing Nova's feature within BullX NEO. Now to the final checks. If the Nova extension is not working, make sure Telegram is active and linked to Nova. The extension is enabled in Chrome. You are using the correct access code. Once everything is set up, you can fully use Nova's features with BullX NEO. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.